everyone. This is Tom Salemi from Device Talks. I'm bringing you your 2-minute MDO webinar announcement on Thursday, June 10th at 11:30 Eastern. Medical Design Outsourcing will be hosting a new webinar called Optimize Your Machine, HMI Innovation and the Next Generation of OEM Equipment. Our very own Paul Heaney, of course, Paul is Vice President and Editorial Director of Design World, will be hosting this discussion. He'll be talking with Tom Schiller. Tom is the president of Automatech. Be talking with Ranbir Sahni. Ranbir is the automation business leader at GE Digital. And we'll also be speaking with John Clemens. John's the director of extrusion controls at Davis Standard. The three will be examining how OEMs can create new revenue streams and improve end user operations with the industrial internet. Attendees will be able to gain valuable knowledge on how to improve machine performance and analytics, how to simplify secure remote machine connectivity, and how to automate systems, data collection, and reporting. You can register for free in the link in the comment section below. This webinar will be held live again June 10th at 11:30 a.m. Eastern. And you can also watch it on demand. So if you register and you can't make it at that time, it's still available to you. It'll still be there for you to enjoy. So please do register in the link below and join us at this upcoming webinar. Thanks for listening. Once again, remember, if you need news and analysis, the best news and analysis on the medical design and manufacturing industries, go to metaldesignandoutsourcing.com. We'll have all the news, podcasts, articles for you there. You can also follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. That way you do not miss an important story. Once again, this is Tom Salemi of Device Talks, and this is your 2-minute MDO webinar announcement.